House is getting close to being finished. Siding's all on. Coming up to the side door. The germinating spot is all set up for seeds. The potting bench and everything is all up and ready to go. I've got all the insulation in place. I've got the rail hung for the drip irrigation system, which is yet to be put in. I've got the buckets. I'm just starting to fill the buckets with dirt, and those will all be started in February or so. I've got the water tank for the drip irrigation system. I've got the rain collection system for outside to bring water in from the roof. And as you can see, we've got some water coming in, and the 2 or 3 inches of rain that we have on the roof is just about got both the barrels filled. There's an overflow right here that will go into a standpipe, so that we never have to worry about too much water coming in. I've got a little aquarium plant there, a horsetail growing, so that'll be going. It looks like it's going all right. I'm going to be putting goldfish in here for a little extra fertilizer. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, with no heat at all, well, I hope you can see, it says 58 degrees. The sun has already gone around to the south, so we're getting into the shade now, but it had been in the mid-70s in here earlier. And here's the patio door that leads into the shop so that we can make up potting soil. I've got a stash back here in the corner where I will make up potting soil for the green, for everything, and another month or so we'll start seedlings.